Hello, teacher.
It's been a while that we didn't see each other. Hello, Potato. Good evening. Can you hear teacher?
Yeah.
Can you hear me? All right. How are you today? You, Potato. How are you?
I'm great.
Okay. And how's your day today? How's your day? How's
What?
your day? How is your day? Did you go to school today? Did you went to school? Oh, what's wrong?
What?
Crying. You're crying?
No.
Oh no, Potato is already a big boy, okay? So here, Potato, let's start now with our lesson this evening. Let me share to you the screen so we can start. All right, there you go. Potato, can you see teacher's screen?
Yeah.
Okay, what unit are we now? Unit number?
What?
Okay, can you please read what's on the screen? Can you please read what's
Yeah.
on the screen? Unit. What is it?
Enough. Listen. What favorite? What favorite?
What
What
your...
favorite? Your favorite fruit?
Okay, so we are now here at Unit 16. And Unit 16 is about what's your favorite fruit. So we are asking about your favorite fruit. So here, let's do vocabulary first. Now look at the first picture. Potato, what's the first picture? Yun na, kag-ayo i-touch. Okay, what's the first picture, Potato? It's a... What's that?
Bean.
Bean.
Carrot.
Bean. P.
Carrot. And
Carrot.
what's the last one, Potato? What's the last one we have?
Yeah.
What's the last picture? It's a...
Carrot.
Last one. Next to carrot. What's next to carrot? Coconut. Okay. Potato, have you tried eating this before? Have you tried eating this? You eat already? Huh?
What?
Have you tried eating a bean, a pea, carrot, and coconut? Have you tried it?
Yeah. No.
No. Oh, how about carrots?
Yeah.
Have you tried eating a carrot? Potato, is carrot good or no?
No.
No. Oh no. How about coconut?
What?
How about coconut? Does it taste good or
No.
not? No, why? You don't like it?
I don't know.
Oh,
Coconut.
you have to try it because it's yummy. Okay, next. What's the next picture, Potato? Please read. We have... one we have? What's that? We have...
We have grape, lemon,
Grape.
lime, mango.
Lemon.
Very good.
Lime.
And mango. Okay. Potato, which among the fruits here have sour taste? Sour. When you eat it, it's so sour. Which one here has a sour taste?
What two?
It's the,
I don't know.
how about the sweet one? Which one here has a sweet taste? Sweet. Sweet taste is the,
Mhm.
7.
Lemon, lime, mango.
Okay. How about, oh, look at here. Sour taste is the lemon and the lime. How about mango? If it's ripe mango, if the mango is yellow, it tastes sweet. Okay? It tastes sweet already. As also the grape.
mango,
Okay? It has a sweet taste. Okay, next. What's the next picture? Potato. What's that?
What?
What's the picture?
Onion, pepper, tomato, pear.
onion,
Pineapple.
Okay,
Tomato.
very good. So we have here onion, pineapple, tomato, and pear. Now, potato, which one here do you like the most? Which one do you like?
What?
Which one do you like?
I like pear.
Okay, pear. Why do you like the pear? Why pear? I like the pear because
Because it's so, I don't know.
it's so, I don't know. Does it taste good? Does it taste good, potato? Potato, does it taste good? Yes or no?
No.
No, you said you like the pear. So it should be tasting good. How about pineapple? Do you like pineapple?
No.
Why? Why you don't like pineapple?
So I don't know.
Mm. Does it taste sour or sweet? Pineapple, sour or sweet? What do you think? It's,
I don't know.
oh, you don't know. You have to taste. So you will
pear,
know the taste, potato. Okay, next. Okay, what's the picture? What's the picture, potato? It's a, what's the picture?
It's an onion.
Huh? Look at the picture. We have the next picture already. What's that?
It's potato, kiwi, watermelon,
Potato.
strawberry.
kiwi,
Okay.
Watermelon.
Potato, kiwi, watermelon, and tablet. Okay, next. All right. Potato, please read the starter's tip. Come on, please read. Starter's tip. Go. Please read.
Lily, don't take more food or else in the project we know about food example and like natural let it picture for like picture let me tell it.
Okay, potato, when you read, you have to pronounce the words properly so you can understand, okay? So here, teacher will read it for you. So here, there might be food items on the word list that are unfamiliar with, meaning you don't know. It's important to know the food. For example, so that you will know the food, you have to learn where they grow and what they look like, okay? So that if you see these kinds of fruits or food, you would be able to remember its name because you saw it already, how it looks like, and you know where it grows, okay?
Yes.
Now here, so you can recognize, use flashcards, or find pictures of the food item in the internet. Okay, now here, Potato, I want you to tell me what's the name of this fruit. So I have here numbers 1, 2, 3 until 10. Look at picture 1. What is picture number 1? What's this? Picture 1 is?
P.
P, number.
Pear.
Look at number 1. Number 1 is this one picture. Look at picture 1. What's the name?
Grape.
Grape. Okay, so you're gonna write it here. Grape. Many. Next. How about picture 2? What's picture 2? Picture 2, potato. Picture 2.
Watermelon.
Watermelon is number 2.
I don't know.
Oh, let's go first. Number 3. What's number 3?
Apple.
Very good. Oh, let's do first. How about number 4? What's picture 4?
Lemon.
Lemon? It's color green.
Lemon.
Lemon. It has 4-letter words. 4-letter. Lemon got many letters. It will not turn into yellow. Lemon will turn into yellow. What is that?
Lemon.
Huh?
E.
Okay, you go first. Number 5. What's number 5?
Is watermelon.
Okay, WATERMELON. Okay, next. How about number 6? What's number 6?
Number 6 is pear.
Okay, pear. P-E-A-R. Next, number 7.
I don't know.
Okay, 8.
8.
8 is?
And onion.
Okay, very good. O-N-I-O-N. Next, how about number 9?
9 is pear.
9 is pear?
No.
This is number 9.
Coconut.
Coconut, number 9. Are you sure?
No.
It has many eyes and it has a crown. What do you call to that fruit?
Lime.
It has many letters. Potato. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters. The 9 letters. What's that?
No.
Okay, how about 10? What's number 10? What's number 10?
Number 10 is potato.
Okay, potato. Letter P-O-C-A-T-O. T-O. All right. Now, potato, let's go first. Number 2. Look at number 2. This one. If it's not ripe, it's color green. But if it's ripe, it will turn yellow. And it has a sweet taste. Which one? What do you think? Find answers here, oh, in the box. Number 2.
Mango.
Mango. Very good. M-A-N-G-O. All right, next. How about number 4? It's so sour. Sour. The first letter is letter L. So sour. 4-letter words only.
Lemonade.
Lemonade. That's so many. 4 letters.
Lemon.
Lemon. Lemon got 5 letters. I'm only asking.
Lime.
Lime. Okay. L-I-M. Okay, lime. Next. Number 7. Look at number 7. It starts with letter B.
Bean.
Very good. Beans. A-N-S. Okay, next. How about number 9? Number 9. A fruit that has a crown. The head looks like a crown. It starts with letter P. What is that?
P.
Huh?
P.
Huh? It has 9-letter words. 9 letters. Many words. Many letters.
Pineapple.
Apple. Okay, let me write. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L. Okay. Potato, are you ready to check your answer? Are you ready to check? Okay, so number 1 we have here is very good. Great. Next, number 2, mango. 3, apple, correct? 4, lime. Next, 5, we have watermelon. 6, we have, what's number 6 again? Pear, correct? 7, beans. 8, onion. 9, pineapple. And 10, potato. Very good. Look at their potato. Look at your answers. Again, potato, what is number 1? Picture 1 is a? What's picture 1?
Is grapes.
Good. Picture 2.
Mango.
Okay, picture 3.
Is apple.
Picture 4.
Is the 4 is it 4.
4 is? What's 4?
Lime.
Very good. 5?
5 is watermelon.
6?
Pear.
7?
Pear.
Yeah, number 7.
Beans.
Very good. 8?
And onion.
Very good. 9?
9 is is pineapple.
Pineapple. 10.
10 is potato.
Very good. Okay. Great work, Potato. You were able to tell the names of these pictures. Now here, Potato, how many vegetables can you see? How many vegetables? Huh?
10.
What are the names of the vegetables that we have here in this?
It's grape, mango.
Oh, vegetable. Grape, mango are fruits. How about vegetable?
Carrot.
Carrots. What else?
Potato.
Very good.
Tomato.
Tomato. Great job. Okay. All right. Okay, very good.
Bean.
Yes. And how about fruits?
Onion.
Okay, onion. How about fruits? What are examples of fruits in this activity, Potato?
Apple. Banana.
Banana.
Grape.
Very good.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Pear. Pineapple. Tomato. Watermelon. Kiwi.
Okay, perfect. Very good. Potato, what's your favorite fruit? Do you have a favorite fruit?
Is watermelon.
Watermelon. Why you like watermelon?
It's yellow.
I like watermelon because
Watermelon because it's delicious.
It's watery and it's tasty. Oh, if you are feeling hot because of the weather, since it's summer, you just eat watermelon. Okay? Now here, Potato.
Yeah.
You enter again to my Zoom, Potato. Enter again because it's about to
Yeah.